Okay, I'm in my little workshop slash gunsmith shop. Got curious. 12 gauge bird shot, as you can see. 1 1/4 ounce, number 5. 2 3/4. Just regular old bird shot. But I took some, I believe it's .177 BBs. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I took another of the exact same shell and I emptied it out and filled it full of BBs. Crimped it back down and everything, and stay tuned because tomorrow I'm going to fire it out of my Churchill Tactical 12 gauge. So if you think it'll work, let me know in the comments before I do it. If you think it will work and cause a little bit more damage, please let me know. Anyways, this is my first video on this account. I've got another account, Realistic Prepper. I believe I've got 4,000 or 5,000 followers there, but I got a new phone and can't access it or access that content or whatever. So I'm trying to figure that part out. But anyways, just got curious, wanted to know. Sometimes, these just don't have, the stopping power, depending on how far away you are. And so I figured maybe, beefing it up a little bit. I just don't know how that'll go. I crimped it the best I could. I know it doesn't look great, but, it is crimped. It's holding it in there. Nothing's coming out. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think.